Spencer found his cell phone and is having a conversation. And he's saying gosh a lot. Did you lose him? Say hello.
Oh gosh.
Gosh? Who are you talking to? Are you talking to Grandpa?
Grandpa.
Oh. Jeez. You see me videotaping you? Oh, Hammer. You just little ham. Who is it? Who are you talking to?